Day 3, the third day of this challenge. It's been a wild ride so far, $50 to $70 in 2 days. That's crazy. But today, let's just say it was a day we'll never forget. We started strong, confident, prepared, and disciplined. Yesterday was a success, but today it felt different. We began the day full of high spirits, following the same morning routine that's been working for us so far. The CPI news had already rocked the markets at 8:30 a.m., leaving devastation in its wake. The charts were engulfed in bullish sentiment. It was clear we'd only be looking for long setups today. And then, the unthinkable happened. We had an amazing day. After a few calculated moves, we managed to take the account from $70 all the way to $127. That's an almost 100% increase in a single day. Now, before you get too excited, let me be real with you. This kind of trading is not what new traders should aim for. It's extremely dangerous and unsustainable in the long run. I'm doing this challenge to test my skills and honestly to create some entertainment for you guys. Don't try to replicate these results. Stick to solid, proven strategies and focus on consistency over time. But here we are, day 3, and the account is sitting at $127. What's next? Can we keep this momentum, or will the market humble us in the days to come? Don't forget, if I pass this challenge, I'll be giving away all the profits to my subscribers. So make sure to like this video, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out. I'll see you in episode 4. Until then, trade smart, stay disciplined, and let's see where this journey takes us.